after assignments, again you have a time, so half an hour for other assignments. And once you finish that, you can start sending those also. But as I am again talking to you all very Soham, you have sent Hindi in English, so I cannot check that. You have to resend. Um, you have to now what you will do, you will remove that file and again you will drop it in a proper subject file. Otherwise marks cannot be allotted na, because it is all computerized now. We cannot hand over the paper to a teacher, right? Otherwise what we could have done, if the paper is with me, I could have given it to her. But now this cannot be done, isn't it? Now transferring from your to her mail and all is also not possible. And how much, like so much of problems are, so many problems. So the marks cannot be given. So now don't talk. You have to uninstall and you have to resend it to the teacher, Hindi teacher. Check that. And please drop your projects and assignment on a proper subject file. Okay, children? Yes? I know it's a new task for everyone, for you, your parents, for teachers, but definitely we are learning something new in this pandemic also, right? And we are doing something out of it good only. Yes or no, children? Do you all agree? Yes, some pressure we need to carry, definitely. But what to do? We are trying our best to do something good, right? And with that, some type of a pressure comes. Who is that talking there? Okay, now I am going to send you the false, the exercise which you are going to solve. Wait, children, this is something different. Oh. Shit, what? What is it saying? See, stupid. Can you all see me? But no slide and all. Wait for a while, children. I'll just check what has gone wrong. Okay, you all start revising your EVS. Chalo, hurry up. Don't waste your time. Why it is coming like this, I don't know. I'll just check it out. I may go off. I'll come back. Don't worry. Or I'll try out how it can be done.
myfather.com.
Wait. It's okay. It's okay now. Stopped. Okay.
Screen stop.
You all start revising the exercises and the work. Class 4 part. Don't waste your time. It's coming to you. Dialogue. What Can you see this now?
Yes, sir. Yes,
ma'am. Can you see this? Okay.
Yes,
Chalo,
ma'am.
Gaurav, what's going on? Chalo, you all start
Yes,
writing.
ma'am.
Say and write. Write down.
Right.
Right. You have to write there true, false.
15.
15 are there. Hurry up, hurry up. Shall we all read it out? I'll read it out. You all go on telling me answer. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Come on, write true or false. An elephant has a trunk. True or false? Say.
True.
Fine. It is. I think so. A baby also can answer.
Teacher,
This
start
question.
writing.
Nursery child also can answer. Mammals give birth to young ones.
Teacher, start writing. False.
Third one. Dolphins and bats use their ears to see.
No.
Spelling has gone wrong. Huh?
Yes.
This spelling has gone wrong while typing. It has to be EARS. No. Okay. The animals kept at home are called wild animals.
False. False.
Yes. Animals' babies do not like to play with each other.
False. False.
Okay. There are about 10 to 15 wolves in a pack.
False. False.
Children, check the answer. Check the answer. A shoal of a fish moves in one direction.
True.
If you look here, children, if you are still not sure, you are going to search the answer. Don't give me wrong answer, and I am not going to feed you everything. A shallow nest is built by a partridge. All birds build the same kind of
False.
a woodpecker is a lazy bird. Now let everyone think and write. Let everyone think and write. Start writing. A woodpecker is a lazy bird. A weaver bird makes a leafy nest. A baby bird fly immediately afterwards. Check if you don't know the answer. I will tell you. You will not think that it's not going to work now. Animals are usually social and live in groups. Ants and bees are the animals that like to live. Animal babies do not like to play with each other. Come on, hurry up, write down fast. Where you have written your fill in the blanks. You are going to complete it there. Hurry up.
DOLPH.
Please write quickly, children.
Dolphins and bats. Bats. There.
Oro, are you writing? Write fast. Say and write. Answer. Look here, when you are answering, Gaurav, if you don't know the answer, check in the book. Read from the book. Everything is given, you know, and you will just copy down. It's not going to work.
Oh, yeah. Fourth one. The animal.
Very good. Very good. Gaurav, which one are you writing?
KEPT. HOME. Kept at home. ARER called 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 animals. वो बहुत था खाने वैसे नहीं होगा उनको वर्ड एनिमल्स तो खा लेंगे.
Okay, I am happy to see that children are writing. Very good. Say and write. Gaurav, write. Shaurya, write.
Yes. Really, yeah, I'm with the
Lily is
head.
also writing.
Pause with the head.
Gaurav is also writing. Gaurav, which one are you writing? Gaurav.
Yes, babies. Do not like like PLAY. 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 play with each other. EACH, each other. OTHER, full stop. Eh, animals. There, ABOUT, about 10, 15 to 7 words. Contribution back piece. Back full top. Fourth, seventh, shallow. Shallow or fish. FISH fish. A shallow neck is built by a fish. Parrot. WRLTY by IO fish. Nine, all build false. All bird. All birds.
Children, now by this time now you'll know the answers, huh? Even if you don't know, you search, you check, you read. Because once you open book, na, you immediately can give the answers. Answers are there. But when they are written here separately, you may get fumble. So the work is given like this. You all search, try to recollect and answer. You don't know few.
About dress for length. All birds build
त्यात टाक नाही तर वाऱ्याने उडेल.
10 to 15 W wolves each other or pack. Now tenth one. Next.
Sairaj, finish your work.
No, ma'am, I am writing 11th one.
Very good, very good. My children are good only.
Woodpecker, P-E-C-K.
15 are there, children.
Woodpecker, a baby bird. Is fly
And don't write
upper
false spelling wrong. Many a times we see children write it wrong. False.
Ma'am.
Write it correctly. Though it is given up, children always write that spelling wrong.
False. Woodpecker is fish. False. Move. The line 11. River. One. River but title DRR about ten and direction bird 13 next 10 to 15 are usually and LY आंसर होगा होगा false pack wall social and leaf yeah, yes, match. OAL show. Immediately. Yes, fish. OVES move in all birds baby bird are same.
Children, when the work is given together, it becomes difficult for you all to write, na? Sometimes, few unspecial. So it is given like this. Nice, na? My children are saying and writing.
Kind of animals. One. SHALLOW. Shallow. NEST. Nest. 30 is
5 minutes are there.
And same wood KIND kind groups nest woodpecker
Gaurav, completed your work? Raise your hand. I can see the hand. Arya, have you completed your work? Raise your hand. I can see the hand. Because the name flashes here.
14. No teacher.
Sairaj,
Kind of
Alia, ते फार अडले गेले रे फार.
like to live alone. Animals
Bird. Live alone. Alone.
Do not
Ma'am, I finish all
Nine.
sentences. E-A-F-Y. Elephant. Nest. Ma'am, I finish all the sentences. Where?
Teacher, my work is finished.
Baby. I also. Baby. Bird. Fly. Like. I am. P-L-A-Y. It. E-A-C-H each other. O-T-H-E-R. I am false.
I want my children put in the studies. I don't want them to study only exam oriented. We are trying both the ways. This is exam oriented, as well as if you have finished your work, start learning the spellings.
After,
Don't waste your
yes.
time.
After,
I want my children put in studies. Okay?
birth.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So it's really going to give me a, the way you offer for Teachers' Day, na? The best thing is what? Teacher wants you all to do well. That is what is needed.
Ma'am, all sentences are finished.
So good. Answers are correct. Did you check the answers? Come on, check the answers and start learning the spelling. 3 minutes are there. Don't waste a single minute.
Usually, S-O-C-I-A-N.
Today I'm going to English and Maths. Don't remain at home. Huh? Be on the line. I am going to send you the revision. We will see what is the revision and you start solving your only in the same notebook. During maths, English time, English notebook. So have the notebooks with you and the textbooks. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
So that once you know the pattern,
Yes.
you will be more comfortable. And then tomorrow, day after, the extra revision. I'm going to send you
same kind of
grammar slides also. On WhatsApp group, I'll send. You all go on writing that. Based on comparative degree, articles, and all those things. Today I'll send, tomorrow I'll send. That is just, for you all to have a revision.
one.
Not from the book, other than that, some other revision.
Yeah.
Donkey, cats, dogs,
Would
cows,
be
and
Pecker. Woodpecker
Body gender.
is a yellow while lazy
Include animals that and
yellowish
give everyone
is 11th one.
Hurry up. Who is writing 11? Go fast. Hardly 2 minutes are there. Hurry up, write fast. Going very slow. Are children 15 sentences in 30 minutes? Chalo, chalo, hurry up. Fourth standard children.
V W E A
teacher
V
15 and 4 question is same.
E I R bird
12
make snake L E
Here only then why children
15 and 4 is
for
same.
sentence number 3.
leafy
Don't write that why.
nest
Chipa, completed? Chalo, it's going to get over.
12th
The lecture is going to get over. Though I am starting little, just before the time, 3-4 minutes nowadays I am starting so that it will give us enough time.
I am
But
writing
Animal baby.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Play each other.
to 15 rules in
Okay, now 1 minute, children.
baby
I can't
bird
help it out, Baba. With this, so I am really tired. What?
F L Y fly
It is getting ended 4 minutes early only. How much I am trying.
Animal baby.
teacher
Yes.
Teacher, I am
and 15th one are same.
5th and 15 are same.
Do not like to play with each other. Okay, yes, correct. So you drop 15. Again, twice it has come. And your A should be capital. But while typing, teachers also are so, they are doing so many things.
Okay, teacher.
Drop the 15 one as you written it. Your fifth one is the same.